Outlet malfunctioning after recent renovation work nearby? You gotta check the wiring first, because that's usually where the problem hides. So when you notice an outlet acting up after construction stuff, first thing is to turn off power at the breaker to stay safe, Then, grab a voltage tester if you have one, and see if the outlet is getting any juice at all. Sometimes wires get nicked or pulled loose during renovations, and that messes everything up. If the outlet's dead, pull it out gently and inspect the wires for any obvious damage, like cuts or burnt spots. Tighten any loose wire connections because those can cause intermittent issues or even sparks. Also, check if the outlet is a GFCI type, because those have little reset buttons that might have tripped. Don't forget to see if neighboring outlets are working, since they can be linked together and a fault in one can affect others. If you're not super comfy with this stuff, call a licensed electrician to avoid bigger headaches or safety risks. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet problems after renovations is ignoring the wiring damage, which leads to dangerous shorts or shocks. Fix this by always inspecting wires carefully and replacing any damaged ones. Another common issue is skipping the breaker check. Sometimes the breaker trips during renovations and just needs a reset instead of messing with the outlet. Lastly, folks often forget about GFCI outlets in kitchens or bathrooms that trip easily. Just hit the reset button on those to get things back to normal. Fixing these mistakes quickly saves you from unnecessary stress and keeps your home safe. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can fix your electrical problems right. It also helps contractors find real homeowners looking for work, making everything easier for both sides.